In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contact data from HubSpot. This might seem like a daunting task if you're not familiar with the platform, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and ensure you can efficiently extract the valuable contact information you need. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This is a handy resource for anyone using HubSpot, whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned user looking for refresher tips. By going through the user guide, you are setting a solid foundation for understanding the structure and capabilities of HubSpot's interface. Once there, your next move is to click on the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. HubSpot's CRM is robust and designed to help you manage your business relationships and the data associated with them. It's the central hub where you'll access and organize all contact-related activities. After accessing the CRM, you should click on Contacts. This section is the heart of your HubSpot database, containing all sorts of contact details. Here you can view, add, and organize information about your clients, leads, or any other individuals you interact with. Next, you'll click on a specific contact to see more detailed information. In this example, we'll be clicking on Brian Halligan, a sample contact. Selecting a contact reveals an overview page with all the relevant information stored within HubSpot for that particular individual. This detailed view is where you manage contact-specific information. Following these steps, look for the Actions button. This is usually located at the top right of the Contacts detail page. The Actions button opens a drop-down menu with various functions you can perform concerning that contact. It's essentially your toolbox for managing individual contact data. Finally, from the drop-down menu, select Export Contact Data. This option allows you to download and save the contact's information, making it accessible for reporting, analysis, or even moving the data to another platform or system. Exporting is immensely useful when you need to back up your data or when you're migrating information to other tools for broader business operations. As you can see, navigating and exporting contact data from HubSpot is systematic and quite straightforward once you familiarize yourself with the platform's interface. Remember, careful data management is key to leveraging HubSpot fully and ensuring that you can make informed decisions based on accurate and comprehensive contact data. Don't forget to regularly export and back up your data to keep your records secure and up to date. That's all for today's session. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope now you feel more confident about handling your HubSpot contacts export.